whenever I need to install a base cabinet and I need to cut out receptacles, I'll plumb up the left and right side to about the height of the base cabinet, and then I'll take the cabinet, put it in place, where it's going to be, and then mark those two lines, and then draw a line on the wall. That's where you're going to get your height from. Now you just pull away and you measure down to the receptacles, and then you transfer those measurements onto the back of the cabinet, like so. 7/5/16 to 11. And then for the bottom one, 22 7/8 to 26 7/16. 22. Then I'll transfer this down, 16 1/4. 18 and 11, and then transfer both of these down. Now I'll pre-drill these four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'll connect the dots with a jigsaw.